Maybe you're asking yourself, okay, why the heck am I listening to this guy that is sitting here in the garden? And I can tell you why in a few seconds. First of all, do you know this feeling when you want to meditate, but you still feel like, okay, I don't know how to do it, or feel like you're doing it wrong? Or maybe you've been for a while into spirituality, you've read many books, studied a lot of different things, but you still feel stuck. Or maybe you've been binge watching many self-help videos on YouTube, but never really applying it, or you don't know, should I listen to this guy or that guy, and you're just confused. Or maybe practicing meditation for quite a while, but you're just not being consistent with it. And if these are your problems, welcome to this channel. Here's a warm welcome. And the issue to all these problems is you lack clarity. You really lack clarity. But if you have clarity, you will see that there are certain other real problems underneath it. And I will talk about them now. So listen, and to be honest, if self-help would have worked for you, you would have not be here right now, and you would not feel so lost. But yeah, let's come right to the point. And the three main problems, the real problems to this, are the following. First of all, it's not that you're not spiritual enough, but you just carry too much unprocessed pain in your body. So therefore, it's important to address the psychological part. There are a lot of unconscious, emotional, psychological blocks in your systems, traumas, maybe some that you're not even aware of, that should be addressed. Secondly, you do not need more information, but instead more integration, because right now there are so many distractions in life. There's so much noise, so much chattering inside your head, outside, in the external environment, and you're just being distracted with so many videos on YouTube, shorts, reels, and whatsoever. And you don't really know what to truly focus on, what really matters to you. And last point is you lack a clear guidance. You get a lot of information, but not a clear guidance. First of all, you've tried meditation already, but you don't really know what it is about in essence. And secondly, you also don't know what to look for in meditation. So you're just like looking and searching and trying to improve, but you don't know what to look for. And last, you don't know how to find the right technique that suits you, that you can enjoy, instead of just trying to force it upon you. And when you're just, you're just frustrated, and maybe you feel like, okay, now I'm going to tell you what to do, and maybe even think, okay, this guy's just talking a lot of bullshit, but just stick around for a little longer and listen to the solution to these problems that we are going to talk about here on this channel. And here are the solutions. First of all, you need to address the psychological part, healing wounds, becoming aware of limiting beliefs, and understanding yourself, but not only analyzing, but really having emotional releases to really feel the body, because this is what we crave, really feeling alive in the body. And therefore most therapists, even I myself am a psychotherapist, like most therapists do not know that it's about energy at the core. So the solutions should be also focused on an energetic level, not only talking about it. This is one part of it, but not everything. So bear with, you cover the psychological part. Secondly, we need much more creativity and celebration in life. You know, not something that we just add meditation for 20 minutes, but it becomes a way of living, that this body as it's here becomes a vessel for life to move through us, that we become creative. So much more asking, what does life want from us, instead of what do I want from life? So really about celebrating, becoming creative. And simplifying everything, not a lot of unnecessary information, but finding clarity. And this is where meditation helps to cut through all the bullshit, all this mental chatter, and come to your inner center and find clarity. Not by acquiring knowledge, but experiencing life here as it is. And last, finding a supportive community. This is very important. Connecting to like-minded people, because this is also what we crave in society. Not having superficial conversations, but really meeting others with similar interests that we can connect to. So, the question is how to move from overwhelmed to aligned, from less confusion to more connection, and how to get the tools that suit you. And if you're looking for this, you're here at the right place, at the right time. So yeah, feel free to check out all the other videos, and I'm looking forward to see you. Have a wonderful day. Much love.